Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I did a lot of damage and shopped a lot from H&M, and I thought why don't I make a haul out of it. So I think the video is going to be super long. I'm gonna cut the intro short and I hope you enjoy the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's get on to the video. I can't exactly categorize the stuff because I was super moody the day I shopped. I got stuff to sleep in, I got stuff like comfy stuffs like hoodies, I got pants, I got jeans, and I got jumpsuits, dresses and all that stuff, and so I can't categorize that in one thing. So I'm just gonna go with the flow, whatever comes in my hand, and I'm gonna just quickly show you guys. First package, something else. So the first package I have is my hoodie. I think I got all my hoodies from men's section because I feel that t-shirts and hoodies are like so comfy and I love comfy hoodies. So the first hoodie that I got is this. I feel the rhinestone print is going like so trendy right now, and it's written all night on it and I love it so much. I got it in the size large because I like wearing hoodies. Sometimes I wear undershorts or I wear jeans or I just dress them up like a dress. So I like oversized hoodies. I hate tight hoodies. I love my hoodies to be super comfy. So this was the first thing that I got from H&M. I think I got a total of 3 hoodies. I got 1 hoodie and 2 sweatshirts. It's like a plain nude hoodie. It's also oversized. I got this in size large and I love this sweatshirt so much. It's like super soft from inside, and that's the main reason I shop from men's section. I feel they are super soft from inside. You can sleep in them or just wear it out because they look super nice just on jeans or undershorts. I love this hoodie so much. I got the same hoodie in blue color, which I cannot find right now, so I'm gonna show that later. Next up I have is this what should I call it, pullover, I don't know. So I have this pullover. It's like super fluffy. I love this so much. It is so comfortable. There is hardly any winter in Vizag. I just love winter clothes. I love cozy clothes. I love this hoodie so freaking much. With the same pullover I got this matching fluffy hat, like this fluffy, and I didn't realize that it matches with this and it's so cute. I love it. I got this and oh, my hair is all messed up. I got the same thing in black as well because I loved it so much. All right now only. Oh, this is so cute. I love this cap like so freaking much. It looks super cute. It looks like super cute. I just love it so much. It's so pretty. Next thing, okay, so I got like this package first, and then I was waiting for another package to arrive because I was shopping all this stuff on the site and I saw this jacket which I am in love with. It was written it's going to come soon. I was waiting for it. I did not shop anything. I thought I'm gonna shop everything like together, but the next day I went on the site. Half of my stuff from my cart was out of stock and I got super pissed. When I shop, the concentration level and the amount of hard work it takes for me is like, I'm not even joking. I like spend hours when I shop so much from H&M, and when I see those stuff gone, I get so mad. So the stuff that was still in my cart, I ordered it and then I was waiting for it to come, and it finally came. And I'm blabbering so much, but it finally came. This is like the best purchase I have made my whole life. I love it so much. So it was, so if you know me, you know how much I love Cortrai stuff. I am obsessed with Cortrai and satin. They're 2 stuff that I love so much. I told before I love oversized stuff and especially my jackets. Oh my god. So this was the jacket I was waiting for. I saw and I was so confused what size I need to buy it in because I wanted it oversized. The model was already wearing it and it already looked so oversized, so I was so confused, like what should I do. It's expensive, so I wanted it to be like perfect. I did a lot of research, like I stalked so many Instagram pages for this jacket, and I finally got this in the size medium, and it's like the perfect size because it's very oversized in medium as well. And so this jacket is super cute. I love it so much. The material and everything is so cute. Next thing that I got are some footwear. These are the boots that I got. Super classy and I love them so much. I also got some accessories which I already opened. Hoops, I love them so much. I also got this in like smaller version, like the same thing like what I'm wearing right now, the same thing in silver. Next thing I haven't opened yet, like only old ones. It's like pretty. So the next thing that I got are I actually ordered it in my size. Yeah, the waist, it's obviously, I don't think so it's going to fit me. Like loose pants from down, like super formal. I think with my next thing that I got is like the jeans. They are like super loose jeans, like very long and loose jeans. I think it'll be a problem for me with this too. I don't know, I'm gonna try it and check it. I really love these jeans. I got these, super comfy, super cute. The hoodie I was telling you in blue color, I actually got black, not blue. I got this plain black hoodie. I think this is also in the size large, oversized plain hoodie, super comfy. The hoodie that I got is similar to the previous one. It's also plain black, but it's like cropped. It's a cropped hoodie, and I actually got this design with the loose pants that I got. Turtleneck. It's turtleneck hoodie, super cute, super comfy. Okay, so the next thing that I got is blazer kind of thing, sleeveless blazer. Like I can dress something up with this, like maybe I can wear something inside, or maybe I can just dress it up like this. I don't know, but I'm obsessed with this blazer. It looks super cute, super chic. I love it so much. And I got this collar tee, so comfy and casual. It's like full sleeve. It's written here for the weekend. Collar adds so much to it. I think that I got is this cropped tee. I love to wear these with just having a jacket, oversized jacket over it, or just anything. They're like super comfy and I can just put it on like whenever I want. Next thing that I got is this turtleneck top, full sleeve top. And the reason I got this was only to style my camis, so I got this for that. Next thing that I got is just this simple cropped green t-shirt. Next thing that I got, tie-dye blue dress. I love it so much. I feel it's kind of boring and my one mind tells me to just cut it and make it into a two-piece, and just one mind tells me to shut up and just wear it however it is. Another thing that I got is this like actually shorts, and I love them so much. Floral print looks so cute on it. I got these two pants, white and black. They are super loose from down and they are super long. I have much white with me, so I wanted to get white, but then black goes with everything, so I was confused and I was like, buy them both. The thing that I got are these gray pants, just formal gray pants. I don't know if I'm gonna like them. Really like it. I'm making it super quick. Thing that I got is this jumpsuit. I love this jumpsuit so much. The print on it, it's like flowery print. Also has this belt over it. I really like the jumpsuit. So the rest are like the sleeping wear stuff. I got a set of like this night suit. Like this night suit. I really enjoy shopping for night suits. I'm in pajamas like all the time, so I really like this set so much. I especially loved the color. It's in like mint. Really. And the last thing that I got is this pajama. Now I love this pajama so much. I really want to wear it and go out of pink, and it's super cute. I love it so much. I have like a me day and I'm pampering myself, and I like to take out like cute PJs and cute night suits. I want to wear it and like, you know, feel myself. Even though I'm in bed, I want to feel myself. So that was all for my H&M haul. I know I did it super quick because I was scared that I'm gonna run out of time because I got so much stuff. I hope I did it like okay. I don't want to refilm it all over again, because when I get new stuff and it's wrapped up in all the papers and boxes, I like to take it out and then only show it. Now that everything is out, I don't want to refilm this video. It's nice, like positive thoughts. It's going to be nice. Okay, so is my camera recording? Oh my god, I'm getting such negative thoughts. Okay, anyway, that was all for my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love it so much. I love this sweatshirt so much. I love it so much. I love them so much. I love it so much. I love it so much, and I love them so much.